How to activate dark mode on Instagram. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I will simply guide you on how you can actually activate dark mode on Instagram, so just make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to actually activate dark mode on Instagram, all you have to do is just go ahead and then actually launch the Instagram application here. Once you launch Instagram app, you can currently see that I'm on the light mode. Now previously what we used to have was the option to switch to dark mode from the Instagram app settings, but unfortunately in the latest update Instagram has removed that feature, because as you can see, even if I head over to settings, no matter wherever I go, I will not be able to find the option to switch to dark mode. So here you can see, even if I go to theme or sometimes even there, you should not be able to find the dark mode option. Now in case you find it, then here you'll find the option called theme, and then you can simply tap on this to switch to dark mode. But if in case do not find it, then it means because Instagram has removed it, and the only way to switch to dark mode in Instagram would be that if you actually turn on dark mode on your system, then Instagram is also going to follow automatically, right? In this case, in order to successfully go ahead and then switch to dark mode. So open up Instagram here, tap the three lines icon, then go to settings. Once you go to settings, if you don't find theme, then just switch to dark mode on your phone. Then once you switch to dark mode on your phone, over here as well, you'll also successfully be able to switch to dark mode, as you can see, or you can just select dark option over here. And this is simply how you can switch Instagram to dark mode. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you in the next video.